My dear students, in our previous class, we understood the meaning of overheads and the meaning of apportionment and the items and what is the basis for apportionment. In today's class, let us try to understand how to apportion the overheads. For that purpose, I have taken one problem to make it clear. See, the problem says that in a factory, there are 3 production departments and 1 service department. Let us try to understand what is the meaning of production department. A production department is one which engages itself in production or manufacturing activity. The production department alters the composition of raw material into finished products. The various parts are also assembled in the production department. Example of production department: melting department, polishing department, finishing department, crushing department, mining department, and grading department. Then what is service department? A service department is in a place where there is no production. The service department renders service to the production departments. Service department helps the production process in an indirect way through rendering service to production departments. Examples of service departments are canteen, stores department, timekeeping department, research and development, repairs and maintenance departments, etc. After preparing the schedule of overhead expenses, other steps which are to be followed in overhead accounting are: number 1, allocation of expenses to production and service department, apportionment of those expenses which cannot be allocated, reapportionment of service department overheads to production department, and absorption of the overhead of each department over the jobs completed during the period. And in my earlier discussion, I had already explained how to apportion the production department and service department expenses on some suitable basis. If you take, for example, this is the items of expenses, and this will be considered as the basis for apportionment. The expenses are like this. So rent should be apportioned on the basis of area occupied. Here it is given on square feet basis. For example, production department 1, 1500 square feet, production department 2, 1100 square feet, and production department 3, 900, and service department has occupied only 500 square feet. On this basis, we have to apportion the rent. So the second item of expenditure is repairs. Repairs has to be apportioned on the basis of value of the plant. Usually, the repairs are made only for the plant and machinery. So, value of the plant and machinery should be taken as the basis for apportioning the repairs. So, that is 2,40,000, 1,80,000, 1,20,000 and 60,000. So, third one is depreciation. Depreciation is also taken on the value of the plant. Value of the plant will be considered for the purpose of apportioning. Same basis will be considered for value of the considered for depreciation also, that is value of the plant. So next important item is light. I have already told you light should be apportioned on the basis of number of light points, but in this problem number of light points are not given. So we can apportion it on the area occupied in square feet, assuming that more area requires more light. So the next important thing, power. Power is actually apportioned on the basis of technical estimates. I have given it in the basis. Technical estimates are either kilowatts or horsepower. But in this problem, both are not given. So we have to apportion the power on the basis of value of the plant. Value of the plant, we have to apportion the power. Next is supervision. So supervision is always apportioned on the basis of number of employees. More number of employees means more supervision. So fire insurance premium 5,000. Usually fire insurance is taken for stock. On the stock only we are going to take the fire insurance premium. This 5,000 rupees has to be apportioned on the basis of 1,50,000, 90,000, 60,000. But service department stock is nil. So the complete fire insurance premium should be apportioned only for three production departments P1, P2, P3 on this basis 1,50,000, 90,000 and 60,000. And employees insurance. So employees insurance is actually apportioned on the basis of employees insurance is actually apportioned on the basis of number of employees. Usually it is apportioned on the basis of number of employees. So this is the liability towards the employees insurance, and this has to be apportioned on the basis of number of employees.